friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So here in this module, we are going to discuss our fifth one in right angle triangle, triangle PQR, right angled at Q. Let's take it right angle is here. So this is, what is this angle? Q. Then PQR. So this is right angled at Q. Then what is PQ will be equal to what they are given here is PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PQ is 6 centimeter. Let's write it that one. And angle RPQ, this angle, what is this angle? So this angle will be equal to what is that? That is nothing but angle, let's take it, PQ will be equal to 6 centimeter. Then angle RPQ, that will be equal to angle P will be equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. So we need to find the lengths of these two. So this one and this one. So based on some conditions, we can calculate based on some rules. So let's take some trigonometric functions included here. Then we can easily calculate. So let's take it calculate of QR. The QR will be equal to what is that? So this angle is 60 degrees. So here opposite side is there and adjacent side is there. One function we can take it here in order to calculate QR. So let's include the tan P. So you can take it as tan P. So tan P here is equal to tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equals to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. That is QR by QP or PQ. So QR, keep it like that, QR as it is by QP that is 6. So tan 60 degrees is equal to what is that? Root 3. So root 3 will be equal to QR by 6. That implies QR will be equal to 6 root 3. So what is this value? 6 root 3. So that is the case here. 6 root 3 centimeter. You can take like that. And next one. So what is our next one is here you need to. So these hypotenuse. So based on some rules or based on some conditions. So hypotenuse is there. By simply you can take cosine P or sine P. So sine we can take it sine 60 degrees. Then we can shift to this side or cosine P. So let's take cosine P, that is cos P will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is cos 60 degrees. That is adjacent side is what? This is adjacent side. So PQ by hypotenuse. So PQ by hypotenuse is nothing but PR. So that implies cos 60 degrees. We know that what is that? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. PQ will be equal to 6. That will be PR. That implies PR will be equal to 6 into 2. So we are multiplying on both sides. So that will be equal to 12. So 12 centimeter, this is 6.3 centimeter, 6 root 3 centimeter. So this is 12 centimeter. Or you can go with the another method. So what is the another method here is, you can go with the sine P also. So sine P also you can calculate here 12. So sine P will be equal to sine 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees, that will be equal to opposite side QR by PQ, PR. So that is hypotenuse PR. So that means sine 60 degrees, that implies root 3 by 2. That will be equal to QR. We know that 6 root 3 whole divided by PR. So that implies cross multiplied. Let's going to do cross multiplication. Root 3 into PR, that will be equal to 6 into 6 root 3 into 2. So that implies here 12 root 3. Then PR will be equal to 12 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 will going to cancel. Then PR will be equal to 12. So 12 centimeters. Like this also we can find the using of trigonometric functions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.